Hello Eddie, in the last video we created a question and I gave you a general overview of how the LMS plugin works. We created courses, topics, lessons and quiz. Now in this video we will be focusing on how to add questions to a quiz. So this was the quiz we created. Now let's start adding questions to it. Clicking on the questions tab will take you to the questions page. Now you can see that since we have no questions right now, so no data is available. So let's start by adding one. Just click on add question. Now this is the title of the question. Now it is not going to be displayed on the front end obviously, but it's just for reference. I'm giving it Q1. Now the points that is given for this question, standard is 1 point as you can see, and if you keep it like this, all questions will have or answers will have 1 point, but you can also select this one to make sure that each answer has a different point. So for simplicity purpose I'm keeping it right now as 1 point. Category you can select or not select, it's not mandatory. So first here let's start a question. Let's write a question now. So let's say this is a question. Now after you add the question, you can add a message. This is a message that will be displayed when the answer is correct. These are optional, they are not going to, or you can also write a message that will be displayed if the given answer is incorrect. You can also activate hint. If you give, then it is a normal text based. Now it is a single choice answer. So here is the answer. Let's say I'm giving the first choice. Another choice. Now I have added all the options, and now let's say this is a correct answer. I have to click on this as correct. Now in this place you can not only write text. If you click on this, you can add also HTML. You can add media also. Now let's save this one. So once it's saved, you can come back to the questions and you can see that Q1, this question has been added. It is a single choice question and the points allocated to is 1. Now let's add another question. Click on add question. This I'm making it Q2. So this will be a multiple choice question. So I am giving the question and it will be a multiple choice. Okay, let's start giving the different options. Now let's say these two are the correct answers. I'll just click on this and click on save. Now this question has been added. You can click here also to add another question. So this time it's question 3 and we'll select a different type. Now as you can see that when you are creating a question, there are several options that you are getting. So we already covered single choice and multi choice. Then there is free choice and sorting choice. Now in the sorting choice you can give multiple answers. There will be multiple answers and the user can sort them in a sorting order. Let me just show you how this works. Let's say here the question is now in this question type what happens, here you can give the answers. Let's say I'm giving the numbers, so I'm giving like this. Now as you can see here, it is given that I can sort this here also, but it is advised to you that the order that you are using here is the correct order, because when they will be showed in the front end, it will be automatically done randomly. So this is the correct order, so that user can get points at 90, 91, 92 and 93. Now what happens, let me just save this one and let's go to the front end part. Here you can see the start quiz. Now see, this is a single choice. Let's say I'm clicking this one. I cannot select multiple, I can select only one. Clicking on next. Now this was the multi choice question, this one and this one. Next. Now see, this is the sorting. In the admin I added in this way. As you can see, it's 90, 91, 92, 93. On the front end it has been changed, it has been random. So here the user cannot drag and drop it and then finish the quiz. This was the results. This is the percentage that is given here. You can also restart the quiz, and all these options are customizable for the admin. Now let's go. I'll show you another question type. Now here there is the matrix sorting choice. Now just click on this. Now, this is what happens. There will be two columns, and the user can match one column of data with the other one. So let's say I'm writing like this. The left column will be fixed. Question. Just save this one. Now let's go to the quiz portion here again, and let me just reload this page. Start quiz. This is already replied. I have replied this one. So let's go to the next one. See here what happens. I've given this one on the left panel column, phone brand, phone OS and desktop. They will appear as I've given there, and the answers are given on this right portion. You can use HTML tags, and it can be images, video files, and everything can be uploaded here. Now we'll have to match this one. So phone brand, it's Nokia, phone OS, it's Android, and it's Windows. Finish. So this is the type, this is the matrix sorting type. For fill in the blanks type, when you select one, you can see that the words that you want to put in the gap, they have to be enclosed in this parenthesis. And you can also use multiple values. You can also use multiple options for an answer. Like this, let's check this example. Now, as I said before, the text that is enclosed within this parenthesis, they will be put into the search word. Now here we have given three options: play, love and hate. Now since the options are more than one, so you have to put them in this kind of search brackets. So when the student is giving the answer, any of these value will be regarded as correct. Now there is assessment type. You can check the demo here. So this is what happens in assessment: less true, more true, good or bad, like this, satisfied. There is also a point system also given here. and this is the open answer type. It can be essay type of answer, like they have to write about something. So you can select how they will submit the answer. It can be a text box, or they may have to upload a file or an image. So this is how you can set the different types of questions and answers from the LearnDash LMS. There's one thing that I'd like to ask you regarding the assignments part. You have said in your mail that the assignment for you is actually an exam that will be taking of the candidates. But here the assignment definition is a bit different. It is that when a lesson is activated with an assignment with the assignment feature, then the students can upload files or images through it. So can you please explain how do you want to take the exam? Will it only just be a question and answer format, or if you have used it in the Watu plugin, can you just send us a screenshot so that we can customize that part and integrate it in this plugin? So that was all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us. Thank you.